Before we get to the charts, I just want to go and take this opportunity to go and ask about how you feel more broadly about these markets, both here domestically and in the United States, in wake of what we've seen with the extreme volatility of recent days.
Yeah, look, I mean, markets are, you look at a chart of the market, it's basically a definition of volatility at the moment. It's just crazy, the up and down movements, especially on the Aussie market, because we had that really nice run last month from, mainly due to commodity stocks. But obviously it's coming back again today. The S&P 500, very interesting levels that we're at the moment. I mean, there is a lot of, support at these sorts of levels on the S&P 500. Obviously last Thursday, it rallied off that level quite strongly. So it appeared as though we might get some sort of recovery in the S&P 500, but then of course on Friday, it gave it all back. So, I mean, on an intraday basis, the S&P 500 is still above the low that we saw in February.
Okay.
But obviously looking a bit dicey at the moment as it sits right at that support level. So I think in terms of a catalyst for the next direction, I think it's clear it's most likely going to come from that interest rate rise on Wednesday in the US, and are they going to do 50 basis points? What sort of commentary are we going to get? I mean, my gut feeling is that we're selling off into that event, and provided it's nothing too crazy, 100 basis points or something silly like that, I think the market will probably bounce. I wouldn't necessarily want to take a massive long position in the NASDAQ or anything like that leading up to it, but that's my feeling at the moment, is that we're getting sold off into this event, and it does open us up to a potential relief rally.
So maybe a sell the rumour, buy the fact kind of scenario taking place after the Fed meeting. We'll find out, of course, in the early hours of Thursday morning.